Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also put links in the description below for similar bank accounts and credit cards, and some of them offer sign-up bonuses as well. Check it out. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a flexible mortgage loan on Scotiabank. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Product and Services. On this page, you will see a section for Borrow Money. Under Borrow Money is an option for mortgages. Click on Mortgages. Now, you will see the list of mortgages loan you could apply for. In this case, we're going to apply for a 6-month flexible or closed mortgages. This is right for you if you want short-term fixed rates. Also, if you want the flexibility to convert to a 1-year or longer fixed rate closed term, without a prepayment charge. To proceed, click on Apply Now. First, you will be asked some questions such as, are you a Scotiabank customer? Will you or any other applicants be receiving instructions from a third party on how to use the loan proceeds or repay the loan? Have you declared bankruptcy for the last 7 years? And are you a Canadian citizen or a landed immigrant? Click on the options that apply. Then click on Next. Here, review your personal information. If everything's good, click on Next. To gathering more information, you will also be asked if you have made an offer on a property yet. If yes, additional questions will be asked. Make sure to answer all those questions. But if you have no offer yet and selected No, you will be asked if you would like to be referred to a real estate agent. Also, enter your estimated purchase price. Then click on Next. Now, select your down payment source. After selecting, enter the amount and the expected closing date. Then click on Next. For income, you'll be asked about your employment status. Select the option that applies. If you're employed, you'll be asked about your type of employment, employer's name, and etc. If you're retired, the same questions will be asked. However, if you're unemployed, just select the unemployed option. Then click on Next. Also, you'll be asked if you have any other source of income. If yes, select the type. Then enter the annual amount, your employer, and the years and month you're employed in it. If none, select No. Then click on Next. For property details, select the purpose of the property, will you be looking for a condo or a house, and select the type of property. Additional information will also be asked, such as the property location and anticipated utility and taxes. Then click on Next. Next, you will be asked if you have any assets outside of Scotia. If yes, enter the follow-up information. If there are more than one assets outside Scotia, click on the Add button to add more. If none, select No. Then click on Next. Also, you'll be asked if you have monthly alimony or child support payments, or have any personal or private loans. If yes, provide the necessary details. If none, select No. Then click on Next. On this page, review your application details. If everything's correct, click on Next. Lastly, read and review the terms and conditions. Then click on the tick box to accept. After that, click on the radio button beside Yes, to confirm that you understand and agree to the terms, as well as give consent to the use of your SIN. Then click on Submit Application. That's how you apply for a flexible mortgage loan on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.